Driving screws is a chore that can be done with a variety of tools, so it's important to match the right tool with the job at hand. A traditional screwdriver is fine for light assembly work or attaching switch plates, and to speed things up a little, you can use one of the models with the ratcheting action. A cordless drill driver is the next step, but you want to make sure that you match the tool's available power with the work being done. The tool's voltage will determine the power output, so use lower voltage tools for less demanding jobs and higher voltage models for bigger chores. The bigger cordless drills will have 2 speeds, the lower one for more torque and the higher for more speed. They will also have a multi-position clutch adjustment to help you avoid overdriving screws. If the job you're doing requires lots of torque, then you'll want to consider an impact driver. In addition to the spinning action of a drill, the impact driver provides a hammering action to add additional power when more torque is needed. If you're driving lots of long screws or working with very hard materials, this is the tool for you.